I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm going to be reviewing something that I just recently got in the mail. IPSY. I wonder what could be inside. A few days back, I'm not sure when, I received a message in the mail saying that there were delays with shipping, and that because of that, they were going to be, I guess, recycling or using a prior design bag in order to then ship this month's goodies my way. So this looks familiar. I know we've seen this before a few months back. So I think they stay true to their word. They did recycle, so that's good. And I love this print. It's like a cheetah cat print. And I think this may be for the basic, because this is pretty big for the plus. Okay, and within we have this, and it reads, "Soak it all in for July." Oh, I'm so excited. So that is what it's called. And this actually details what I have in my bag. And the first thing I see here, first I'm gonna put on my reading glasses so I can properly read and show off each quality brand. This one is called Luminosity, and this is from Trend Beauty, the Luminosity eyeshadow palette. Oh, it's been a hot minute. Lately I've been getting back into palettes again. I say it's about time because, oh, this packaging is beautiful. It stays true to what it looks like. I don't think I have anything from Trend Beauty, but look how glorious these colors are. Neutral palette, some shimmers in there as well. Cohesive color scheme. There's not those like odd pops of color, so I appreciate that. I love eyeshadow palettes, so. And it has a mirror, which is nice. So they have a base color, which is nice. I don't have to worry about that. It feels really smooth. But it looks like it might have a little bit of shimmer in there. Yeah, it does. So this could be like a highlight or corner as well. I'm gonna try that here real quick. Oh yeah, that is definitely shimmery. Maybe this one's the base matte. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's the base matte right next to it. These are beautiful, beautiful. Can't complain. I will probably be posting some looks featuring this palette in the video in the near future. Really excited about that. Did I mention the retail price? The retail price for this bad boy is $12.50. Wow, that's amazing. Ooh, something from Wow, W-O-W. What is this? This is the Color Wow Hair Dream Coat for curly hair. I have wavy hair, so that's fine. Think of this mist like a raincoat for your curls. This game-changing humidity blocking thank you technology helps completely stop frizz, causing moisture from entering your style, leaving your curls glossy and smooth for up to 3 or 4 shampoos. Wow, and it says to mist through towel-dried hair, then finger comb to make sure it's fully distributed. Okay, did I mention the retail price on this? Oh, let's see, the Color Wow Hair Dream Coat for curly hair. The retail price for the full size, which is 6.7 ounces, is $24 US. Apto Skincare Orange Blossom Cleanser with grapeseed oil. The first step in soft, radiant skin is cleansing with this oil-based cleanser that helps to wash away dirt and impurities. This silky gel formula goes on smooth and leaves skin feeling ultra moisturized, never dry, nor tight, nor dehydrated. Tip to massage it into your skin for 30 to 60 seconds for maximum results. The retail price for the full size of this product, which is 120 ml, is $18 US. I think I'll try this today because you know me, if you watch my channel, you know I'm into skincare. Oh, it has a seal, which is nice. Orange Blossom. I wonder if it smells citrusy, like orange. Yes, it does. So if you're not into any scents, this is not for you, but it does give you a warning that it says Orange Blossom. So I just want to put a little here. Oh, okay. It's very, it's like milky. See that? Yeah. But it definitely smells like orange, like citrus, which is very, very nice. Kind of suds up a bit too. I will do that real quick to get rid of the makeup I had on my arms and see if it gets rid of it, and it pretty much does without me using water or a washcloth to exfoliate and rub it off. So that's pretty good. Not bad. Not bad at all. Did I mention what the retail price for it, the full size again, 120 ml would be $18. This is Innisfree. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. This is the Daily UV Defense Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 36. Beautiful, something to throw in my bag and reapply as the day goes on and I'm into the sun. This non-greasy sunscreen is the first step in your skin's line of defense and the last step in your skincare routine. Reapply frequently on beach days, pool days, lazy days, and well, every day. And the retail price for the full size, which is apparently 50 ml, is $15 US. Not bad, pretty reasonable. Can't wait to try that. Let's see. I mean, this is something I'm gonna throw in my bag right off the bat, because it's always good to have an SPF and something to protect your face and your skin on any given day. But it comes like this, no nonsense, pretty clean looking. Oh, it's already open. Like it doesn't have a protective cover. Oh, okay, and that's what it looks like. And I just, smells like it smells like sunscreen, basically. Definitely smells like sunscreen. Okay, last but certainly not least, I have Basic Beauty Lengthy Lashes. Ooh. One coat is enough to bring on flirty, fanned out lashes. The secret behind this mascara's magical lash lengthening abilities, I wonder. Okay, I'm gonna put the name underneath here. I will not attempt to botch it. I don't want to do that. It's made from a Brazilian palm tree and helps condition and nourish your lashes with continued use. The retail price of this is full size, by the way, as is, $16 US. So essentially that's it. What do I have to say about this month's base subscription for IPSY? I would say I'm very impressed with the fact that I got a eyeshadow palette. I got something for skincare, SPF, some for the hair, absolutely. Again, hair, skin, and some makeup. SPF, I can't complain at all. It is awesome. I can't wait to dive in and use these and just, I will give feedback on what I've experienced with some of these products. The first thing off the bat I want to try, besides the Trend Beauty palette, obviously, is the Color Wow hair cream. I want to see how that goes and whether that works for my wavy, fine hair or if it weighs it down or whatever. Again, I will follow up with a future video regarding my feedback on some of these products. What do you think? What did you get in your IPSY base subscription bag this month? Is it the same like mine or something else? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching me on my latest IPSY unbagging, and I hope to see you on my next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.